Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Kung gusto mong magka-flawless skin at magkaroon ng glowing complexion, this video is for you. Alam ko na lahat tayo, babae man o lalaki, ay gusto ng smooth, fresh at healthy looking skin. Kaya naman today, pag-uusapan natin ang isang trending at super popular skincare hack, ang Ice Facial. Is it really effective? Paano ba ito gawin ng tama? At paano mo ito magagamit sa iyong daily skincare routine? Kung gusto mo ng mga sagot, keep watching. Ngayon, kung nais mong mag-try ng Ice Facial pero hindi mo pa alam kung paano or baka gusto mong skip ang hassle ng paghahanda ng yelo, I've got something for you. This ice roller from Shopee will make your life so much easier. Sobrang helpful nito guys para sa skin icing. Hindi na kailangan magbalot ng yelo sa tela, hindi na magme-mess at safe pa. I'll show you how to use it later, so let's dive right in. So ano nga ba ang Ice Facial? Tinatawag din itong skin icing, isang skin treatment kung saan ilalapat mo ang yelo sa balat ng iyong muka. Ano nga ba ang epekto nito? Well, unang-una nakakatulong itong mag-improve ng blood circulation. Kaya naman nagiging radiant at glowing ang iyong skin. Plus, the cold temperature helps to tighten the skin, which is good for reducing the appearance of pores and fine lines. Super nice, di ba? Para sa mga bago pa lang dito, I highly suggest using an ice roller kung saan ilalagay mo lang siya sa freezer for a few hours. Pag malamig na siya, i-roll mo na lang siya gently sa iyong muka in circular motions. Ang pinaka-best part nito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-alala tungkol sa ice burns or frostbite kasi the roller keeps the cold in check, plus mas masarap gamitin kesa sa direct na ice. So bakit nga ba dapat mag-try ng Ice Facial? Let me share with you some of its amazing benefits. Number 1, susi para sa glow skin. Ang regular na pag-ice ng muka ay nakakatulong para magmukhang radiant at fresh. It stimulates your blood flow kaya magiging mas makinis at healthy looking ang iyong complexion. Number 2, pagbawas ng dark circles at eye bags. Kung laging puyat, Ice Facial can help minimize the puffiness sa ilalim ng mata. Pina-flash out nito ang excess fluid kaya mawawala yung tired look. Number 3, pagtanggal ng acne at pag-smooth ng pores. Yung cold sensation ng ice, it actually helps to reduce oil production at pinapalit ang mga pores kaya less likely na magka-acne. Number 4, pampatanggal ng sunburns. Kung sobrang init at na-expose sa araw, Ice Facial helps soothe the skin and reduces redness. Number 5, flawless look. Kung naghahanap ka ng smooth canvas for your makeup, the Ice Facial will definitely help prep your skin kaya long-lasting ang foundation at makeup mo. Ang pinaka-importante guys is you want to use ice in moderation. Huwag mo itong ipatong sa mukha ng matagal kasi baka magka-frostbite. Ang ideal na time for Ice Facial is around 1 to 2 minutes only, twice a day. And always make sure na malinis ang gamit mo tulad ng ice roller na ito na perfect for on-the-go skincare. Before you start, let me just remind you ng mga ilang paalala. Sensitive skin, be extra cautious kasi pwede itong mag-cause ng irritation. Hindi ito solution for long-term skin problems ha. Kung may serious skincare concerns ka, it's always best to consult your dermatologist. Ang skin icing ay hindi dapat ginagawa ng matagal, so limit yourself to the recommended time lang. And always check how your skin reacts. Aside from using the ice roller sa muka, pwede mo rin itong gamitin sa iba't ibang parts ng katawan tulad ng neck, panga, ilong at pisngi. Kung gusto mo naman ng mas intense facial massage, you can use it along with your favorite serum or moisturizer to help with deeper absorption ng skincare products. Okay, so if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, I highly recommend this ice roller from Shopee. It's super affordable and you won't have to worry about dripping ice cubes everywhere. So I'll put the link in the description box na lang guys. Ang Ice Facial ay definitely worth trying kung gusto mong mag-pamper ng sarili mo at kung gusto mong makatulong sa pag-reduce ng acne, dark circles at wrinkles. Pero always remember kung may medical conditions ka or sensitive skin, mas mabuting mag-consult muna sa doktor. At kung gusto mo ng hassle-free, effective na Ice Facial, grab this ice roller from Shopee. Again, all the details are in the description below. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga future tips ko. Thanks for watching guys and always stay glowing. Bye!